Today, we reveal the top 10 world records that will never be broken. Watch till the end. Number 1 will shock you. Number 10. Long jump world record. Bob Beamon. 8.90 meters. Have you ever seen a jump so long that even the judges got confused? Bob Beamon set this record in 1968 at the Mexico City Olympic Games. He jumped 8.90 meters, and trust me, no athlete has come close since. That gap was so massive, people still call it the most shocking jump in history. Number 9. 100-meter sprint world record. Usain Bolt. 9.58 seconds. Have you ever wondered how fast a human can really run? Usain Bolt set this record in 2009 at the World Championships in Berlin. He ran 9.58 seconds, and trust me, no sprinter has come close since. Even today, athletes are struggling to beat this incredible speed. Number 8. Most Olympic gold medals. Michael Phelps. 23 gold medals. Imagine training your entire life and winning one Olympic gold. Michael Phelps set this record between 2004 and 2016 at the Olympic Games. He won 23 gold medals, and trust me, no athlete has come close since. That level of dominance feels almost impossible to touch. Number 7. Most points in ice hockey. Wayne Gretzky. 2,857 points. If you don't follow ice hockey, listen closely. Wayne Gretzky set this record during his career from 1979 to 1999 in the National Hockey League. He scored 2,857 points, and even today's legends aren't close. Experts say this record may never be broken. Number 6. Highest batting average in cricket. Don Bradman. 99.94. If you love cricket, you already know this number. Don Bradman set this record in 1948 during Test cricket. He finished with an average of 99.94, and trust me, modern players may never beat it. Number 5. Tallest structure record. Great Pyramid of Giza. 3,800 years. Let me take you back thousands of years. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built around 2560 BCE in ancient Egypt. It stayed the tallest structure on Earth for nearly 3,800 years, a record no modern building will ever match. Number 4. Longest human hair. Iksai Kayuping. 5.6 meters. This one takes extreme patience. Iksai Kayuping set this record in 2004, verified by Guinness World Records. Her hair measured over 5.6 meters long, grown for decades without cutting. Number 3. Most pole vault world records. Sergei Bubka. 35 records. Here's something incredible. Most career goals in football era. Pele. 1,000 goals. Think scoring 30 goals in a season is hard. Pele set this record between 1956 and 1977 in professional football matches. He scored over 1,000 goals, a milestone modern footballers can hardly match. Number 1. Longest verified human lifespan. Gene Coleman. 122 years. And finally, the ultimate record. Gene Coleman set this record in 1997, verified by official medical records. She lived 122 years, and even with today's medicine, no one has come close. Which record shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more unbelievable facts like this.